In this video, I'm going to clear up something that's a common source of confusion among beginners, and that is proper usage of the terms cryptology and cryptography. If you go to our website, plaincipher.org, you'll see that we use the term cryptology to describe what we do. We make cryptology videos. However, you'll also hear me using the word cryptography in a lot of these videos. So what's the difference between cryptology and cryptography? Well, here I've written cryptology up on top, and that's because cryptology encompasses cryptography. Down here we have cryptography, which is code making. Cryptography is code making, and over here we have what's called cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis, which is code breaking. Okay, so as you can see, cryptology is cryptography plus cryptanalysis. Now, under cryptography, we have symmetric cryptography, we have asymmetric cryptography, and asymmetric cryptography is also known as public key cryptography. Public key. And over here, we have what are known as protocols. And you can think of protocols as just being other stuff. And protocols would include things like hash functions, message authentication codes, and digital signatures. And basically just other stuff. So now you know the difference between cryptology and cryptography. You will hear a lot of people, especially outside the field, using the word cryptography when they actually mean cryptology. And that's because most people don't know what cryptology is. It's not a very common word, but I think most people have heard of the word cryptography before. So just know that you will hear cryptography used a lot more than cryptology, even if that person means cryptology. And you'll also hear me using the word cryptography a lot of times when I actually mean cryptology, especially when I'm talking to people outside the field. And that's just for ease of conversation so that I don't have to explain what cryptology is every time I talk to people. However, when I talk to people in the field, I usually stick to the technical meaning of cryptography, which is code making. And when I talk about code breaking, I will say cryptanalysis, and I will use the word cryptology when I mean both the cryptography and the cryptanalysis.